Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Angela from Uganda. Try to cook my simple food. Let me call it simple food. Guys, this food I've been missing it is from Uganda. That is katogo, mixed potatoes plus meat. The ingredients are no, there is no change. I told my madam I'm going to cook katogo. She was like, kakago. So guys, let us first prepare the ingredients. We are going to cut them. We need 2 potatoes because this is going to be enough for us. It's my first time to cook it for my madam. Then after cutting our ingredients, now let us do what? Let us prepare the food. We are going to use 1 pot. Guys, please leave a comment, share what do you want me to cook next time. Leave a comment to show some love. Please leave a like, subscribe please, I beg. After putting oil, guys, I'm cooking using olive oil because olive oil is good. But if you don't have olive oil, it's okay, you can lose a little bit of oil, So we have to make the meat what? Brown. Not all, little bit brown. So guys, this food is mainly enjoyed in Uganda during breakfast time. Katogo. Breakfast time, eh? I don't know how much I'm missing my home, guys. Today I decided to cook this food because I'm missing home. After 20 minutes, we have to put our onion plus garlic. And now we cook them for another 5 minutes. This method is very simple and easy. It doesn't need too much. Carrots, I wanted big. Potatoes, I'm going to use 1 pot because it's the one who will help me to steam the potatoes and meat very quickly. If it's big, it will take long time, but if it's small, it will be in one place and it will be easy to cook. Guys, after cooking it, we put all the meat, the ingredients, tomatoes, pepper, tomato paste, plus the spices. Guys, I'll put them in the description below: cinnamon, paprika, garlic. So guys, after cooking, we are going to put water. I'm going to, this one right now it's on the big pan. I'm going to put it on the small one, small stove. Right now it's on the big stove. I'm going to put it on the small stove so that it can cook on low fire and it seems very good. Guys, thank you for watching. You just check my katogo, guys. I will put water. It has to boil for 1.5 hours so that the meat it becomes tender. Guys, thank you for watching. Please leave a comment from where you're watching. Send greetings. Tell me what you want me to cook. Let us communicate. Let us leave anything you want. Guys, I love you so much. Please share this video. If you're looking for something to eat, this one is easy to go. It doesn't need too much things. Thank you for being around. Thank you for watching up to the end. Okay guys, let us cover our katogo for 1.5 hours. Mixed potatoes. After 1 hour, our katogo is done. Guys, I'm going to enjoy behind my dam. Thank you for watching. I love you. Don't forget to share.